So the last part of balancing, and undoubtedly the richest, is the one called balancing, which creates guided meditations or audio files that include the frequencies needed by the person. So the principle is that it's like onion skins. You're at the center, and the things that are easiest to treat are the ones closest to you. And the further away you are, the more you'll have to treat the things that are further away. So you'll have to do things one after the other. That's why he's defined an ideal path here, which is to go through the various elements we have as priorities in that order. You can also see that he has identified a speed of meditation, so that depends on the parameters he has detected in the recording, whether or not you will enter meditation quickly. A personality type also influences the way meditation is constructed. With music, he has identified chords and a general scale that will enable us to start where the person is. And then the resources will also change according to the type of meditation you want to do. So are we more into matter, in which case we'll start from an organ, or are we more into energy, in which case we'll start from a chakra, for example? Or are we more adventurous, in which case we'll start from a resource, an emotion? If you'd like to know more about all this, because each time we choose the type of meditation we're doing, we're going to choose a series of meditations here. And these series of meditations are the ones we'll find in application 33, for which we have different types of guided meditation that will speak to different types of people. So here we've simplified it by simply saying how you'd like to approach things, whether it's more through the body, the mind, or energy, and then the application will choose which guided meditation is the most appropriate to start with. And then it will build a second part of the meditation, which will be based on frequencies or voices that will be generated according to what is needed to settle all the priorities one after the other. When you launch a personalized meditation, you can save it on the person's account and have them install the BioCoherence application or the 33 application. When they enter their email address, they'll find the meditation there for them, and they'll be able to reevaluate it every day before doing the meditation with their application at home. So when you click on reevaluate, you're prompted to register the sensor and connect it, so you can reevaluate and find out where you are in the process. Progress will be displayed down here. After a while, you'll have curves corresponding to each of these priorities, and you'll be able to see when they've been settled and where we are in the progress of each of these priorities. You'll also soon have a system called temporal crystal analysis, and we'll be making a separate video for that, because it's a very interesting concept, but it's a little complicated to explain. So once you've made this plan and created the personalized meditation, it will be available on this person's profile. And so this person here can choose to invite him or her by sending him or her an email. They'll be able to install the application and directly launch the guided meditation, which will include all the resources on which it's based, and then all the priorities with the things you need to do to achieve them, as well as an evaluation over time, bearing in mind that a complete balancing session should last 3 weeks.